Okay, histogram shows the times taken by people in a group to climb a set of stairs. Okay, so calculate the number of people in this group. Now remember, this isn't frequency, it's frequency density. It's measuring how dense each section of time is here. So you can see here lots of people taking between 50 and 60 seconds. Okay, this is the most dense group. To get the number, in other words, to get the frequency, okay, in a histogram, remember it relates to the area of the bars. Okay, so you just need to work out the area of each bar, right? So the area of this bar here, the length will be 30, 0.2 is the height, so 30 times 0.2, okay, that's that bar there. And then you've got this bar, 10 times this one, which is 0.4. Okay, so you need to add these together. Then you've got plus then 10 again times 0.8. Plus then you've got 10 times 1.2. It's room enough to write it down yet. Plus then, I'll put it here. 10 times 1, 1.0. Plus then, that's what, 30 times 0.1. So just the areas. Now you've got to do this without a calculator. Quite easy really, because 30 times 0.2, well 30 times 2 is 60. One decimal place, so it'll be 6.0. Okay. Okay, that's the way I'd go about that. Remember, when you multiply with decimals, just ignore the decimal point. 30 times 2 is 60, and because you've got one decimal place here, you have one decimal place, and the answer is 6.0. 10 times 0.4, well that's just going to be 4, isn't it? Okay. Times by 10 is easy, you just move the number at one place, so you get 4 there. 10 times 0.8 is 8. 10 times 1.2 is just 12. 10 times 1.0 is 10. And the 30 times 0.1, again, you're going to get, well 30 times 1 is 30. Sorry, 30 times 1 is 3. What am I talking about? 30 times 1 is 30, and then one decimal place is 3.0. Okay, so add these together, you get your frequency, then the number of people in this group. So 6 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 10 plus 3.0. So 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 8 is 18, plus 12 is 30, plus 10 is 40. 43 people. Okay, that's how many are in there. So strange answer, but don't get put off with it. You're not always going to get nice round numbers, right? You're going to get 43. Okay, that's perfectly acceptable. I've done everything right there. So then it says calculate an estimate for the number of people who climbed the stairs in less than 65 seconds. Well, 65 seconds, we've got to go to this, right? And we've got to mark it on here. 65 seconds is going to be between, of course, 60 and 70. So the number of people who took, was it less or more? Less than 65 seconds, right? So basically, it's all of these people here, okay? So you need the areas of each of these. Now that area we worked out to be 6. There's 6 people there. This area we worked out to be 4. This area we worked out to be 8. This area we worked out to be 12. And this area here, now we only want this section. We only want half of it. So remember, we worked this out to the area to be 10 here. This area was 10. So half of it then would just be 5, that side there. So add these up. 6 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 5. Add them up. 35. Okay, 35 people.